Most landlords don't expect perfection from tenants. What they do expect is clear communication, reasonable care, and fewer surprises. Many tenancy problems don't start with serious issues. They start with small misunderstandings that build up over time. In practice, landlords usually care about 5 simple things. First, communication. If something goes wrong in the property, landlords expect to hear about it clearly and early, rather than after damage has already spread. Second, reasonable care. Tenants aren't expected to fix problems themselves, but they are expected to treat the property as a place they live in, not a place they pass through. Third, access when needed. For inspections, repairs, or safety checks, landlords expect tenants to allow access with reasonable notice, so issues can be resolved quickly. Fourth, clear boundaries. Most landlords want to know before major changes are made, extra occupants move in, or pets are introduced. It's not about control, it's about avoiding problems later. And finally, respect for the process. Maintenance issues take time. Contractors have schedules, parts need to be ordered, and not everything can be fixed immediately. When tenants understand these expectations, tenancies tend to run more smoothly, with fewer conflicts and less stress on both sides. Clear communication, reasonable care, and shared expectations make the biggest difference. For more guidance for tenants and landlords, explore the Twinly Info Hub.